In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to a task 2026 guide. Adding clear, organized notes to your tasks in ClickUp is a simple way to keep projects on track and make context easy to find later. We'll start from your workspace and get you to a clean, structured note inside a task, using ClickUp's built-in editor and formatting. Begin in your workspace on the left and open the area where your project lives. From there, go to your overview or list view so you can see tasks along with columns like status, assignee, and due date. Make sure you're in the correct space, folder, and list for the project you're working on so you're editing the right items. If you don't already have a place for this work, create a new list in the appropriate space. With your list ready, add a new task, give it a clear title, and click Save. If your project needs a bit more structure, create a folder to group related lists. If you don't see the folder option right away, scroll down a little. Once it appears, go ahead and set it up. If you want extra guidance on folder creation, open suggestions to explore more ways to create and organize folders. Now let's add your notes. Open the task to bring up the Details panel. Look for the main body area labeled Add Description. Click there to activate the editor. Think of this description as the central place to store all context, instructions, and running notes for that task. To format your notes quickly, type a / to open the command menu, then choose a heading. Add a simple title like Notes, Meeting Notes, or To-Do Notes. Keeping your heading consistent across tasks makes it easier to scan later. Press Enter and start entering your notes below that heading. As you write, you can type normally or use the / again to insert structure, bullet lists for quick points, numbered lists for sequences, and callouts to highlight key decisions or blockers. You can also use the editor's plus button to insert elements. And if it suits your workflow, add a dock and change text colors to emphasize important details or statuses. When your notes are in, they'll live with the task so anyone on the project can find context fast. That's all you need to add well-structured notes to a task, and, if needed, set up the folder and list framework that keeps everything tidy. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to like and subscribe so you won't miss the next one.